Everyone talks about how ADHD ruins focus, but no one talks about what happens when it locks in. You know that moment, you skip meals, lose track of time, zone in so hard the whole world disappears? That's not a flaw, that's a weapon, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn that hyperfocus into a legit side hustle, without changing who you are. Welcome to Finance IQ Insights, your new go-to space for understanding how your unique brain can help you build real wealth. Here, we don't just talk about money, we talk about how your mind works with money and how you can use your natural strengths to get ahead. We're here to help you discover practical, brain-friendly ways to grow your finances, whether you're just starting out or looking to level up. Let's break something down together. You might have heard that ADHD is all about being distracted, but that's only part of the story. It's not just about losing focus or daydreaming when you should be working. In reality, ADHD is also about the ability to become intensely, even obsessively focused. Sometimes on the right thing, sometimes on the wrong thing. This unique focus can be both a challenge and a gift. This phenomenon is called hyperfocus. It's a hidden superpower that many people with ADHD, and even those without, don't realize they possess. When you tap into it, you can achieve incredible things. Hyperfocus is why you might find yourself editing a video for 12 hours straight, barely noticing the time pass, or working late into the night on a project that excites you. It's why you can pick up a brand new hobby, and in just a couple of weeks, learn more than most people do in years. You dive deep, absorb information quickly, and become an expert faster than you ever thought possible. When everything clicks, you become unstoppable, able to achieve goals that once seemed out of reach, and to celebrate wins that truly matter to you. But here's the thing, most of us never think to turn this superpower into something profitable. We don't realize that our unique way of thinking can actually be the key to financial success. That's what we're here to change, starting now. For years I thought I was just inconsistent, that I couldn't stick to anything, that I wasn't serious enough to build something real. But what I didn't realize was that I was hyper-focusing on the wrong things. Video games, deep dive YouTube spirals, random business ideas I never followed through on. Then I asked a different question, what if I stopped fighting my brain and built around what it actually wanted to do? So, what if you took the one thing that truly grabs your focus and turned it into real income? Because honestly, that's all a side hustle is. A skill, plus structure, plus consistency, equals money. And hey, you already have the most powerful part, focus that doesn't quit, when it's right. System 1, find your hyperfocus triggers. Ask yourself, what topics make you lose track of time? What YouTube rabbit holes do you fall into the most? What tools or tasks do you naturally want to organize or master, even when no one asks? For example, design, writing, video editing, research, gaming, organizing workflows. Whatever it is, name it, own it, that's your fuel. The best side hustles are built on what you'd already do for free, but with structure. System 2, match your skill to a side hustle model. This is where things get personal and powerful. Instead of chasing every new opportunity, start by looking inward. What are you naturally good at? What do you enjoy so much that you lose track of time? That's your starting point. Let me show you what I mean with some real examples so you can see how this works in action. If you love design, there's a world of options. Try creating eye-catching thumbnails for Fiverr clients, launching your own print-on-demand shop, or selling Canva templates to other creators. Each of these taps into your creative side and lets you build a portfolio as you earn. If writing is your superpower, consider freelance copywriting, ghostwriting for blogs, or even starting your own newsletter. The internet is always hungry for fresh words and new perspectives. Or maybe you're fascinated by AI and productivity tools. You could create and sell AI prompts, build Notion dashboards, or design Airtable templates for busy professionals. These skills are in high demand as more people look to streamline their workflows. If organizing is your thing, help others get their digital lives together. Set up ClickUp dashboards, organize digital workspaces, or consult on task management tools. You'll be surprised how many people need this. Obsessed with tech, build step-by-step tutorials, review the latest apps, or become the go-to explainer on YouTube or TikTok. People are always searching for tech advice and walkthroughs. If gaming is your passion, stream your highlights, react to viral moments, or build a Discord community with affiliate offers. There's a niche for every interest, and you can monetize your unique angle. The key is this: don't just pick what's trendy or what everyone else is doing. Trends fade, but your passion and focus last. Pick what you hyper-focus on, what you can do for hours without getting bored. That's your edge. That's where the consistency lives, and consistency is what turns a side hustle into a real, sustainable income stream over time. System 3. Protect your focus window. This is the secret weapon for anyone with ADHD trying to build a side hustle. Your focus window is a dedicated block of time where you can truly get into the zone, free from distractions and interruptions. Without it, even the best ideas can fizzle out before they have a chance to grow. This is where most ADHD side hustles crash. They start strong, then burn out. The initial excitement fades, and without a system, it's easy to get overwhelmed or lose momentum. You might find yourself jumping from task to task, never really finishing anything, and feeling frustrated by the lack of progress. Here's how to fix that. The key is to create a repeatable routine that makes focus automatic, not a struggle. Start by identifying when you naturally feel most alert and energized during the day. Schedule a 2-hour window when your brain is most locked in. Block it off on your calendar like an important meeting, because it is. Treat this time as non-negotiable and let others know you're unavailable. For a lot of people, that's late at night or right after caffeine. Maybe you're a night owl, or maybe your energy spikes after your morning coffee. Find your personal peak and use it to your advantage. Use noise blockers, do not disturb mode, or just a clean workspace. Eliminate as many distractions as possible, turn off notifications, clear your desk, and let your housemates know you need some uninterrupted time. Set a timer for about 25 to 50 minutes, then take short breaks. This helps your brain stay fresh and prevents burnout. The Pomodoro technique is a great way to structure these sessions. And hey, reward yourself after the session. Dopamine works both ways. Celebrate small wins, whether it's a piece of chocolate, a quick walk, or just checking off a task. These rewards reinforce your focus habit. Consistency isn't about working more, it's about working smarter and making your focus window a regular part of your routine. Over time, this builds momentum and makes progress feel effortless. It's about working within your focus rhythm. When you honor your brain's natural cycles, you'll find it easier to stay on track, avoid burnout, and actually enjoy the process of building your side hustle. Let me tell you about Alex. He had ADHD and couldn't hold a traditional job, but he loved writing weird stories and breaking down sci-fi movies. One day he started a newsletter. 2 months later, he had 2,000 subscribers. 6 months in, he was getting paid to write breakdowns for creators. Not because he changed his brain, but because he leaned into what his brain naturally obsessed over. When I finally started my own focus-based side hustle, I picked video scripting and voiceovers. Why? Because I could lose hours to research and narration, and still be hyped about it. Within 45 days, I made my first $500. Not because I hustled non-stop, but because I stopped trying to be someone else. When you work with your brain instead of against it, money starts flowing differently. If you've ever felt broken, lazy, or inconsistent, you're not. You just haven't found your focus lane yet. Subscribe to Finance IQ Insights if you want to build a system that honors your brain and turns focus into freedom. And tell me in the comments, what's one thing you hyper-focus on that might actually make you money?